Hi, I'm Colleen, and today we're going to talk about LinkSquares Prioritize. LinkSquares Prioritize is a project management tool built for legal teams like yours. It's one place to help you manage, track, and report on all your legal priorities. You're probably tired of manually keeping track of requests from across the business. With Prioritize, you can automate intake for stakeholder requests to track and manage alongside your other work. And with pre-signature tasks from Finalize automatically populated on your Prioritize board, you get a bird's eye view of all the work on your team's plate. As requests come in and tasks are created, you can assign them to the right team member, flag high priority work, and keep projects moving. For large-scale projects or strategic initiatives like disputes or M&A, use Prioritize to build project plans and track progress as you move through each stage. You can even build templates for recurring work and requests to ensure consistency, whether you're reviewing marketing collateral, delivering board minutes, or applying for a new license. Once a task is initiated using a template, relevant assignees, attachments, and subtasks are automatically generated. Need help with next steps? Use AI to generate recommendations. But it's not just about making your life easier. Prioritize metrics illustrate your team's full impact across the organization, allowing you to make better decisions around assignments, headcount, and more. If you're interested in learning more about LinkSquares Prioritize, book a demo today.